Hello YouTube, this is part 1 of my farm tour. We're going from oldest to newest. Sorry for that, it's a windy day. That's annoying. Well, here we've got a Farmall M, which, just a moment, just want to fucking stand on it. It needs a repaint on it. What's Grandpa coming up here for? Needs a repaint. It needs a repaint and new tires. Not new tires, a new battery, that's it. It's a good tractor, needs a new grill maybe. This is our second oldest. It's a Farmall 300. I'll do another video on that M over there. Just a little too windy today. This is a good tractor. It's actually a 300 TA because it's got a torque amplifier. This one runs good. Also needs a repaint. Serial number tag, it's wearing away. But this tractor was my grandpa's first tractor. I think it was his second tractor. M was his first. Then also he's had an H and a bunch of others that we don't have anymore. We got these now. And this tractor is pretty good. I almost drove it through a barn though. Oh, climb over. This one I'd say out of any of our tractors is one of my favorites, but my favorite might show up in this video. So it just started to sprinkle. So yeah, it's got a torque amplifier on it. I never knew that until, well, now. This tractor, good. I want a different seat. I want one with a cushion on it. Choke's pulled on it. And duct tape. Duct tape can fix anything. Arizona tea. Probably Grandpa's. Sleeting. Indiana weather. Nobody knows what it does. Well, there's our newest tractors. I'm going to continue this video in a moment. Our next oldest tractor is not really a tractor, it's a backhoe. I think our 806 might be older than this, it's at the front of the farm. I don't have a ride, I've got to walk. Our recently purchased thing to replace this. This thing's good, I've ridden on it multiple times. I think my great-grandpa bought it. I don't know the history behind this thing. Cows are over there. This is our litter tractor. Continue the video again. Our next tractor here, there's Apollo over there. He was sleeping here and he doesn't like humans. Next tractor is an 806. I don't know where our 1066 is. It might be in Dudleytown. So this tractor has a pretty firm clutch on it. It's a good tractor. Don't know the age on it, but it's had a couple dollars in repairs put on her. It's a diesel, not a gas. I don't know where the card is on it, the ID tag. This is an old barn. It used to be a cattle barn that I'm sitting in right now. Yeah, I have no idea where the serial number is. Might have been here at one time. Just this tractor's had multiple repairs done to her. And my grandpa bought this not long after I was born. We used to have a 706. But that was way before I was born. There it is. Clear that off. Yeah. So, I'll continue on part tour later.